me that. Pop up on my body like animal. Dance make you feel like carnival.
When I go on YouTube there.
That these people struggling if I hammock. Diamond they're sleeping sitting down. Hey my loves, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Based on the title and the thumbnail, you already know what is about to go down. So this is the day before the camping trip. We leave tomorrow and I have a bit of packing to do. I always do some last minute packing, so we're going to just rush that and just get it over with. So here I have two bikinis that I packed and I'm going to pair that with one of my shorts. I believe that I'm going to wear it on this Sunday. If we do get to go anywhere tomorrow, then I will wear one of the bikinis tomorrow. Here I have just an extra outfit. I'm probably going to go down with that on. I'm not sure. Probably this top, either the red or the green, and this top will probably be paired with that. If I decide to wear the monokini and the shorts, then I don't need this top, but we will figure that out. And I have another bodycon dress just in case, just something chill. And I also have my sleepwear. So I tried my best to not overpack this time because I have a really bad habit of overpacking. So let's go. So we all done here, and of course this has my makeup bag, this has my toiletries as well as my toothbrush, you know, different things that I need, essentials. So ready for tomorrow.
When I go on YouTube there.
That okay, so we finally made it after a long drive. So we have the tent set up already and we organizing our food. So yeah, these people struggling if I hammock. Wow. Getting ready for bed, literally. Yeah, we're going to Labrie Beach, and please ignore the hooligans in the background, y'all. Let me tell y'all, these people so ghetto. So yeah, we're going to Labrie Beach. Look at the view. Period. Nature walk. So we're in the bush. We're going to see how much things have changed over the years. Yeah.
I come here already. You come here already? Your house was up? Yeah. This is what it is. And they came and meet me up.
Oh, I remember that, see? You remember? Look at this. So many years.
Yes. We still have it. We keep it natural.
Period.
Alright. Take a photo, right? Yep.
piece of what a towel.
But we got towel, that I say on the stove. Eyes are retarded. Ah.
Should I answer that?
What is it? It's like so hot, like it's so hot. But anyways, we find things to do. It is minutes to 6, I believe now, and we're going to find Aki in the tree. Climbing the tree is crazy.
Right there, not even.
That every day, you see me have coconuts and
You see it? What now? Period. Quick supermarket run. We getting ice cream and stuff for smalls. Period. Got what we needed and we're heading back now to the concert. We're tired. Okay, so we just chilling. I just did some dishes. Breakfast is being made. Today we're supposed to be visiting a waterfall or a beach. I'm not sure if we're gonna do both, but we will see, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, by the way, it's Sunday. This is our last day here. We leave in the afternoon, later afternoon, after lunch ish, probably about 4 or 5. So yeah, so we're there Friday night, Saturday nights, and Sundays. So this is the last day of the trip, so it's been good. It's been good. I'll give like an overall review at the end.
Obviously not, because we have breakfast right now.
These people having black and white for breakfast. Black and white for breakfast. Ah, that's crazy. Look at the amount of bears. These people had 5 cases of bears, and for the longest while they've been saying like somebody robbed them, somebody take the bears. Sweetie, y'all had the bears in 24 hours. Can you imagine 5 cases of bears in 24 hours? We are not having a party. As you all can see, barely have any of us, although like 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4. We had 4 more adults, so yeah, they left yesterday. But come on, in 24 hours.
That's your pigeon. I'm close along it. He can't tell you that. That's what when it's time me better have concise, but they can't come on food. I started crying. I tried to say my cousin was dying. I think, my tears I started crying.
So this is breakfast. We have saltfish, roast baked, and cocoa tea. Yeah, this is the. I still kind of get over behind the Beatles. What am I kind of talking about there? If the person gets small, they don't have no grease for them too when they get sick. Come on.
What did you spend yesterday? I'm not sure, to be honest.
Where to
Sorry?
What do you
No time.
When I have my budget and thing,
Like you're not going to yourself and you have another road to down.
whatever.
Superman?
Spider-Man, what do you call it?
Superman, they call it. Superman is his.
By Silver Spring, yeah.
It's not by this Silver Spring. Well, the one I'm talking about is not by this Silver Spring.
So where you went, eh?
Pacific gas station and things, or pots and them side, like more on that side. Like,
Jerusalem talking about, man.
no. You go in the back.
Okay, so we're going to Towai Waterfall. We established that already. Well, either Towai or Superman Falls. So yeah, we dressed and ready. Time to leave. Okay, so we reach. Good shot.
The talkers way there, from way there. Nap up is halfway there, me do way there. Touch your go. Touch your go. From car back up, from car back up.
Damn, and they're sleeping sitting down.